Jai Swaminarayan students. Thought for the day is the best way to predict your future is to create it. Children, today we are continuing with lesson number 8, Networking Concepts, part 2. Okay, before starting with part 2, let us just recall what all things we studied in part 1. We saw about computer networks. Network means it is a set of computers that is connected together for sharing data or sharing resources through a cable or a wireless medium. We even saw the cable, that is NIC or Ethernet card. We saw regarding hub and switch, and wireless computer networks like Wi-Fi, that is wireless fidelity, Bluetooth or infrared rays. We even saw the computer networks being classified into 3 types, that is local area network, also called LAN, metropolitan area network MAN, and wide area network WAN. Now we'll see all these 3 in details, all these 3 networks. Let us start with first, that is local area network LAN. Okay, this LAN, it is a network. It is restricted to smaller area such as a local office or a school or a house, right? That means when the computers which are connected in a network in a very small area, like in a house, suppose 2 or 3 computers or 2 or 3 laptops are connected with each other in a network in a single house, that kind of small area network is called the local area network, right? Almost all the LANs, that is local area network, whether wired or wireless, they are based on Ethernet, that is Ethernet card. Advantages, it is low at cost, high speed. Why? Because the distance is low, and better security. Next we have is metropolitan area network, that is MAN, MAN, MAN. Now this MAN, it connects 2 or more computers, right, in a larger geographical area as compared to LAN, that is local area network. Local area network में जो computers connected थे वो बहुत ही small, बहुत ही restricted area, बहुत छोटे से एरिया में जब कंप्यूटर्स या लैपटॉप्स कनेक्टेड हो एक दूसरे से, दैट काइंड ऑफ नेटवर्क इज कॉल्ड लैन. लैन से थोड़ा ज़्यादा नेटवर्क एरिया है, वो है मैन, दैट इज़ मेट्रोपॉलिटन एरिया नेटवर्क. दिस मैन आर मोस्टली बिल्ड फॉर सिटीज़ और टाउन्स to provide to provide a high data connection and usually owned by a single large organization. Okay, for example, if we take an example, if our school is divided into 3 areas, right? Suppose our school we have in 3 areas. Now all those 3 areas computers are connected with each other through a network called MAN, right? Next is WAN, wide area network. Now this WAN is made up of 2 or more local area networks or metropolitan area networks, and they are interconnected with them. The users and computers in one location, they can communicate with users and computers in the another location, right? Here the computers are connected through public networks such as telephone system or optic cables and even satellite, right? The internet, it is the largest WAN in the world. This internet, you can call it as the wide area network, the largest wide area network of the world. Okay, let's see some advantages of computer networks. Easy communication and speed. People can communicate effectively, right, using this network with a group of people. They can even enjoy the benefits of emails, instant messages, telephonic activities. video conferencing and chat rooms also. The next we have is ability to share files, data and information. That means people can find and share a large amount of information, right? And this is even benefit for large organization to maintain their data in an organized manner. Next is sharing hardware and software. It provides the ability to share hardware with the printer being shared among users in the network and using licensed software within the network that reduces the purchasing cost for organizations, right? The advantages of computer network, that is sharing of hardware and software, that means for example only one printer can be connected with 4 or 5 computers connected in a network, so that you can give printout from any one of the computers and the printer will work. Why? Because the printer is connected with all those 5 computers in a network. So that is means sharing hardware and even software, right? Suppose today I am sitting on the first computer and I am drawing something, right? I save the half of the drawing, and the next day if I don't get place on the first computer, I can sit on any other computer that is connected in a network and I can open my existing file on that. So that means sharing hardware and software. Next is security. All the sensitive and personal files and programs on a network can be password protected. Right? For example, 5 of the computers are connected in a network, but still I can give a password to one of those computers, and these files can be only accessed by the authorized users. Next is speed. Okay, the speed is very rapid when the computers are connected in a network. File sharing speed is very rapid, it is very fast, right, within the network, depending on the type of network. And this will save time because it is very speedy, it works very speedily. We'll continue rest of the lesson in next session. Jai Swaminarayan.